In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Asana. If you're managing multiple projects, organizing your tasks with tags can really streamline your workflow and make it easier to keep track of everything. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, we need to head over to the Asana website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Asana URL or simply searching for it through a search engine. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner. You should see a login button there. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the login screen. You'll have a few options for logging in, but one of the quickest ways is to click on Continue with Google. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to select which of your Google accounts you'd like to proceed with. Pick the account associated with your Asana workspace to get started. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Asana dashboard. Now, take a look at the left panel where you'll see a list of your existing projects. Go ahead and navigate to the specific project where you'd like to add tags. Click on the project name to open it up. With your project open, locate the particular task you want to associate with a tag and click on it. This will open up the task details panel on the right side of your screen. It's in here that most of the magic happens. Next, look towards the top right corner of this task details panel. You'll notice an icon with 3 dots, also known as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, among several other options, you'll see one labeled Add Tags. Selecting this will allow you to start entering tags associated with your task. Now is the time to get creative and specific. Start typing your desired tags into the provided field. You can add multiple tags to better organize your tasks, so feel free to think about all the categories or labels that apply. Once you've added your tags, you'll need to finalize them by clicking on Create Tag. This step ensures that your newly created tags are saved and associated with your task moving forward. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've effectively created tags within Asana, making it easier to categorize and track your tasks across projects. Using tags can significantly aid in filtering tasks, helping ensure that nothing slips through the cracks. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clear and straightforward. Don't hesitate to explore other functionalities Asana offers to enhance your project management even further. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.